glad to invite her on the Adi show. And yes, उनकी जर्नी बहुत आसान नहीं थी. Definitely she has also gone through a lot of difficult time, because जब हम टेलीविजन का हिस्सा थे तब हमें डे नाइट काम करना पड़ता था. आज वो फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी का हिस्सा है. Still she has to accept lot of changes in her life and in the way she's taking care of herself. मुझे क्या लगता है कि मैं इतनी बातें कर रही, उससे अच्छा तो मैं क्यों ना उन्हें लाइव बुला ही लेती हूँ. And how does she feel being such a big star, superstar, I must say? And oh no, देखो कौन आया. Hi.
Finally,
I know why she's laughing, but you behave yourself. There you make fun of it.
आज मैं
I know
रश्मि
you
शो पर आई,
so well.
ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता था. I will behave properly. But I'm so happy to be here, Rashmi, and thank you so much for having me. I'm always there for you, and you know what you mean to me, and thank you for having me.
I know.
And to all the
I
fans,
know, and I'm
बहुत
very
सारे
lucky to
request थी
have
कि अंकिता और रश्मि को साथ में लेके आओ, अंकिता रश्मि को साथ में लेके आओ. Like people are requesting you and to me also कि why don't you come to Rashmi's show? I was like वो मुझे नहीं invite कर रही है, so मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ उसके लिए? But finally she invited
Oh
me
my
and I'm
God!
here.
I had a special thing to, मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही थी. But then I thought, नहीं, I think ये तो बनता है, because the kind of
ये तो
star
बनता
I
है
am,
यार,
it is a star now. So yes, I have to ask you a lot of questions about that. And
But you're looking
yes, and
pretty rash. I'm seeing you after a long time. You're looking beautiful.
thank you, Anku. I love you.
So
अच्छा
tell me,
अंकु,
what do you want to ask?
हाँ, एक बात बता, how excited are you coming on the show?
I'm
like
super
with
excited.
me?
I think this is the first ever time that मेरी कोई friend मेरा interview ले रही है, dude. Like you are interviewing me, and I'm so happy that you're doing something very good for yourself, Rashmi. Like it feels good that you know तो भले हम लोग quarantine है and we are at home, but you keep on doing something to motivate people, to inspire people, and you inspire all of us. And that is really a good thing. I'm not somebody. I'm very lazy. You know me. I will never
You're
do
very,
something
very
else.
close, and people, I really want to tell you guys that I have less. मेरे बहुत कम दोस्त हैं, लेकिन वो मेरे अपने हैं और बहुत खुश है. So Ankita and me, we know each other since 10 to 11 years, and I genuinely have no idea. बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ कि हम डे टू डे रूटीन में नहीं मिल पाते हैं, but we connect.
Yes.
एक bond है हमारे बीच का, which is like really. We can't name it.
बिल्कुल
It's so
बिल्कुल
strong.
बिल्कुल
So yes, I'm
बिल्कुल.
really lucky that I have.
I think when we were Big Boss House, I think Big Boss House में जब तू गई थी, मुझे याद है, you came to my place, you remember, तू आई थी रात को और तूने मुझे बताया था कि मैं Big Boss House जा रही हूँ. तुझसे ज्यादा I think मैं nervous थी, मतलब पता नहीं रश्मि क्या करी, is she good, like is she going to be fine over there? मुझे बहुत टेंशन हो रही थी और जब तेरे को वहाँ रोते हुए देखता था यार बहुत बुरा लगता था यार, because we have seen each other in bad times also and in good times also, and जब आपकी कोई दोस्त ऐसी किसी सिचुएशन में जहाँ पर you can't go and hug her, वो मुझे बहुत कमजोर करता था. But I think you have played strongly, and Rashmi, wherever you are today, we all feel very proud of you.
Thank you, Anku. Thank you so much. But I'm going to ask
Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you very
So
much.
my wish list, I really want to ask you, because we both are actors, and I'm being very honest. You are doing so good. You are doing so good for yourself, and even in your career, even in your personal life. Well, I'm not going to talk about much about your personal life, but about the journey you had. इतने सालों से I have seen you doing so many struggles, and still when you come in front of the camera, you come across as a very happy, chirpy, bubbly girl. And there's one quality about you, and सब ये बात admit भी करता है, that you're very mufat. You're on space, and
That's
you
me,
were
baby. That's my
yes,
Rashmi
and
show, and I can
basically,
misbehave. I can do whatever I want to do. I don't care.
and basically, you were the first girl in our fraternity. I'm being very honest. जो बिना सोचे और बिना तोलमोल किए ना अपने मन की बात मुंह पे बोलती है. And I agree
आई
with
थिंक रश्मि ऐसा होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि मैं ऐसी हूँ, दिस इज माई क्वालिटी आई गेस, यू नो, हर इंसान की एक अपनी क्वालिटी होती है. आई थिंक यू हैव योर डिफरेंट क्वालिटीज, यू मेक पीपल, you give that always warmth, you know, you try and make people comfortable all the time. That's your quality. My quality is something, I'm very open, I'm very upfront to the people. When I talk to people, I'm like this, you know, I want to tell people what is right and what is wrong. People maybe sometimes they misunderstood me, and maybe sometimes they're very,
you. Lot of
they're
times that
happy
has
with
been.
my, they're very okay with it कि यार जैसी भी है बंदी मुंह पर बोलकर छुटकारा है, you know. And I think we
Yes.
connect on that level only, Rashmi, because you're not somebody you go out and talk to people. No, you don't. You are very into yourself. You don't. But with me, I have seen you, like, you open up with me, you talk to me. Why? Because you know I will never guide you in a wrong way. I will always tell you what is right and what is wrong for you. You know, I will be on your face. So I think वो क्वालिटी होना, सबकी अलग अलग क्वालिटीज है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज वन
But
ऑफ
don't
माय
you
क्वालिटी. दैट्स व्हाट.
think sometimes कभी ऐसा फील नहीं होता कि अगर इतना क्लियरली मैं बोल दूंगी तो कोई मुसीबत नहीं मोड़ना दूँ ऐसा करके कुछ?
यार वो
Or
रश्मि
you
मुझे कभी
tend to
फील,
feel
पता है मुझे ऐसा
everything
लगता है
whatever comes in
सच
your
बोलने में किसी, आई टेल यू, सच बोलने में किस चीज का डर होता है मुझे नहीं पता कि हाउ डू यू डिप्लोमेट, you know, how do you be diplomatic and say things. I really have no idea about this. Like sometimes people say तूने ऐसे
true
कैसे
that.
बोल
I
दिया,
agree.
पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो तो सही था, वो तो सच था ना, मतलब जो मैंने बोला that was a right thing to say. तो I don't know, मतलब पता नहीं, माँ बाप ने शायद ऐसे झलकरी बाई टाइप्स मुझे पैदा किया, जो है वो बोल
ओहो
दो टाइप्स. So
ओहो
it's okay.
वो तो तुम हो,
झलकरी बाई, you
पैदा
say,
नहीं किया
not
वो
touch
तुम हो.
me.
आज if I am allowed to share certain experience, I would have shared so many things. But it's so much fun. But at the end of the day, Ankita Lokhande की एक ऐसी quality है which nobody knows, only the close one knows about it. And I think आज वो अपना art दिखाएंगी भी. And yes, I have a question that as an actress.
Hmm.
See, when you did television, you were part of one soap for longer
Yeah.
time. आपके कैरेक्टर को आपको पता है कि कहाँ मोल्ड करना है. But when you're doing film, आप अपने स्क्रिप्ट कैसे चूज करते हो? आप
See, I
do
don't
you
know
do
about
it
the
by
scripts, Rashmi.
yourself,
I
or there's
always,
somebody to guide you, or that you just go with your
no, no, no.
instinct कि ऐसे करना है? Or actors
पता
matter
है
to
क्या
you?
है? If I have to talk about my scripts, usually you know what happens. We belong to TV fraternity, right? हमें देखा जाता है कि हम लोग टीवी के लोग हैं, और जब हम हैं तो they tell you about your character, okay? They give you a very good description
Ankita,
about
you're
your
not in a good
character.
network
But
area.
sometimes, maybe I can see you properly.
I can't see you. You're pixelating. Yeah.
पता नहीं बेबी, मेरे तो वाईफाई चल रहा है.
Now we can see
Hello?
you properly. Yeah,
Can you
now
see
we
me?
can see you
Can you see me?
properly. Yeah.
ओके, सो द थिंग इज, हम टीवी से बिलोंग करते हैं, और हमें एक हम जब फिल्म मीटिंग के लिए जाते हैं, अब बहुत चेंजेस आए फिल्म और टीवी को लेकर. जो बीच में एक ब्रिज था,
Yes.
आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं वो बहुत फिल हो रहा है. यू नो, पीपल आर accepting TV artists to film fraternity. It's very difficult for all of us, for you also, you know, Rashmi, where you have also done films, you know what
I
it is
know.
like,
We
you know.
face a lot
पर
of
बहुत
problems
मुश्किल
and
होता
a
है
lot
यार
of
लोगों को ये
viewers don't know
समझाना.
about it.
एग्जैक्टली, और इट्स वेरी, पता है शर्म आती है ये बोलने में कि यार हमें इतना कौन सा एक्सेप्टेंस करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि हम टीवी के लोग हैं. कभी कभी लगता है, यू नो, इट्स वेरी दिस थिंग कि हम ऐसा
No,
लगता है कि
even I feel
हम
bad sometimes that you're from TV. We don't want to do. Even when I started my live chat, few people have helped me a lot. Few people encouraged me, but a very few which I knew, and I tried asking them about the show. That at the end of the day, they have that thing in mind that you know, अरे ये तो TV से
एग्जैक्टली
and all. But
पर
I feel
मुझे,
TV
आई
people are
फील
the
वेरी
more deep.
प्राउड.
They get more they have more approach towards their audience. I see TV people actress कुछ नहीं होता. It's always actor and actress, but they
एग्जैक्टली, यू,
actually capitalize it. But you still made it.
सी दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग रश्मि. बट पहले बहुत डिफिकल्ट था कि हम लोग टीवी से हैं, और अच्छा टीवी से हैं, इतना छोटा दिखा दिया जाता है जैसे हम कुछ रद्दी सा काम कर कर आ रहे हैं. यार टीवी में जितनी मेहनत है ना लाइफ में, उतनी किसी चीज में मेहनत नहीं है. मैंने, तूने, हम लोगों ने आई हैव वर्क फॉर फकिंग 148 hours in my life, you know. I've given my blood and my soul to this thing, and I feel proud that I'm from television. Why will I not feel proud? मेरी किस्मत है अगर मुझे कोई अच्छी फिल्म मिलती है तो मेरी हम सब मेहनत करते हैं, हमें मुझे सिर्फ एक डेफिनेशन पता है फिल्म और टीवी मुझे नहीं पता. आई जस्ट नो दैट आई एम एन एक्टर. आई हैव टू परफॉर्म, आई हैव टू गिव माय बेस्ट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट व्हेन आई रीड द स्क्रिप्ट, व्हेन आई गो थ्रू द स्क्रिप्ट, I see what I am playing in it. I see what I am doing in it. I don't want to just be a backup or कहीं पीछे में खड़ी हूँ. I don't want to be like that. I want to give my performance. But अगर मैं चूज कभी कभी रोल ऐसे कर भी लूँ ना रश्मि, जहाँ पर मैं बैकअप में खड़ी हूँ, I know I'm very confident enough about myself कि मैं निकल कर आ जाऊंगी, उस 5 मिनट में भी मैं निकल कर आ सकती हूँ. So that's my confidence. But apart from that, people are, I feel very bad जो अब पता है जो टीवी के लोग हैं, मैंने कितने टीवी के लोग देखे हैं रश्मि, they feel very hesitant like to say कि हम टीवी के हैं. I don't understand. After becoming such big stars also, they are not ready to accept that we belong to TV. No, they're not. I have seen many people like, and I feel very proud to say this. While Manikarnika was my first film, Manikarnika was my first film, and when I started promoting Manikarnika, in each and every interview, Rashmi, I have given this statement that yes, I belong to TV, and whatever I am today, it's all because of TV. I know तेरी मेरी एक्टिंग कई गुना जो बाहर लोग हैं उनसे कई ज्यादा अच्छी होगी, क्योंकि हम टीवी से सीख कर गए. हम 15 पेजेस ऐसे पढ़ सकते हैं, हम पढ़ सकते हैं 15 पेजेस बिना देखे रश्मि. वी डोंट नीड अ प्लैंक कि कोई प्लैंक लेके खड़ा और हमें लाइंस पढ़नी है. नो, we can emote without glycerin. We can do whatever we want to do because TV has taught us something like that. We have been working like for कितने घंटे हमने टीवी पर काम किया, कितने साल में टीवी पर काम किया, and we all are proud of it. So I think वो जो एक ब्रिज है, I think it's high time that we should fill that bridge, और वो हमसे ही बनेगा क्योंकि हम टीवी से फिल्म में जा रहे हैं. और अब तो देख सकती है कि फिल्म के लोग टीवी पर आ रहे हैं. They're doing digital, they're coming up with so many digital things. क्यों? अब हम वहां जाने से अच्छा अब लोग यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं क्योंकि ये ज्यादा अच्छा माध्यम है लोगों के लिए. हम रोज दिखते थे लोगों को घर में, हम रोज कहीं ना कहीं, मैं 9 से 9:30 होती थी पवित्रता पे, and people
were part of their family. If we are crying, they cry. If we are happy,
we are still a part of their family, Rashmi.
They see somewhere, कोई part है उनका जो हमें दिखता था, and there is nothing wrong in it. I feel TV is the best medium to start your career.
तो मुझे पता है, मैं जानती हूँ अगर कल को मुझे कुछ होगा तो वो मेरे साथ रोएंगे कि यार इसको क्या हो गया. This is how we have connected to the audience, Rashmi. This is what I feel, and we all are very proud that we are from television, dude. I belong to television. I'm very proud of it.
I'm really happy that we belong from such fraternity that people actually create talent. People have the talent to create one film in 1 week. People have the talent.
I don't want to impress anybody, Rashmi.
And it's not easy. It's very challenging.
I don't want to impress people out there that it's not wrong.
No, even I agree with you on this.
कि मुझे नहीं,
because even I have some lot of time it has happened. मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ. मेरे बहुत आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हो जाते हैं when anybody is talking about television, this that. I say nothing.
टीवी के बारे में क्या बोलता है ना तो मेरी तो जान निकल जाती है.
हाँ, मुझे चुभती है ये बात, मुझे बहुत चुभती है.
That रश्मि आज हमारे पास जो भी है,
have any experience about it. I said I will definitely fight for it.
Listen ना, आज मेरे पास जो भी है, मेरा घर, मेरी कार, मैं अगर अपने माँ बाप का ख्याल रख सकती हूँ, मैं अपने घर का ख्याल रख सकती हूँ. It's all because of TV. I have not made any money from my film fraternity. I have not done it. Maybe I'll do it in future, but not till today. Whatever I am today, it's all because of Pavitrishta. And I'm very proud to say this. I'm super proud to say this. And people, they don't understand. हम लोग, अब पता है क्या होता है रश्मि, हम तो बोल रहे हैं ये चीज को, लेकिन there are other people, वो क्या करते हैं फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी वालों को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए, दे शो दैट नो वी आर फ्रॉम, नो फिल्म टीवी तो बहुत बकवास था, फिल्म्स आर बेस्ट. आई विल नेवर डू दैट इन माय लाइफ टू इम्प्रेस फिल्म. आई डोंट वांट टू इम्प्रेस एनीवन. आई एम एन एक्टर डजंट नीड टू इम्प्रेस, एक्टर needs to act, and that's what I'll do, that's what I belong to.
But all the television actors should also feel proud of it, and they should enjoy every moment which they are getting, because getting such big recognition, good lifestyle, and good, confidence, and the kind of power within they have today because of TV, they should just accept it.
But
and
they don't.
I am proud of you, Anko. I am proud of you
too, Rashmi.
Not as an actress that you have started from TV, but as a friend, as a human being. I know how supportive you are towards your family and friends, how strong-minded you are when you are yourself going through such a rough patch and till standing tall and strongly with your friends and family and smiling on the face. Not even other person will not even realize that what problem are you facing, what pain are you going through,
Yeah.
what your heart is crying but your face is smiling. I know all that thing. So that is the reason that makes you a wonderful person and amazing actress.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. And I will say, guys, हमारी जर्नी बिल्कुल इजी नहीं थी.
बिल्कुल
हमें
भी नहीं
गाने
थी.
के लिए ही
आई थिंक
टूटना
मेरी और रश्मि की
पड़ा
जर्नी,
क्योंकि आज
मैं बताना
ये
चाहती हूँ.
शॉर्ट
आई
है
वुड
चलो
से
करने के
समथिंग.
लिए.
लिसन लिसन, मेरी
I
और
know there
रश्मि
was
की
a time
जर्नी.
जब अंकिता को डेंगू हुआ था and she was not
Yes.
allowed to go home, but still मुझे शूट करना पड़ता था because those were the days when I knew because I'm very close to her,
Yes,
but
yes.
not
मुझे डेंगू
everybody.
हुआ था और मुझे याद है, मुझे अर्चना मानव का
कोई भी
पूरा
सक्सेस
टाइप्स कुछ था.
फेलियर से ही जाता है. You have to go through a failure in your lot of problems in life, difficult situation in life, and then you reach to your goal. You reach to your aim that you have imagined yourself. So I'm being very
रश्मि,
honest.
तभी तो हमें सक्सेस पता
How does
चलता
it
है.
feel now? How does it
आई
feel
फील
now that
गुड.
you're a
आई फील
film
गुड.
actress and having such a difficult journey
See, I
is
don't know
definitely not
about this
easy.
film. I'll tell you one thing. See, film actress, I feel good about it. क्योंकि बचपन से मैंने रश्मि सपना देखा था कि मैं हीरोइन बनूं. You know, it's like a dream. It's a dream of yours also. I know that. You know, हम सब एक सपना लेकर, हम लोग वो नहीं रश्मि कि हमने अभी अभी सोचा है और हमने बन गए. हमारा बचपन से यही ड्रीम रहा है, तेरा और मेरा, जितना मैं जानती हूँ हम दोनों को. हम कभी कोई डॉक्टर या हम कुछ और नहीं बनने वाले थे कि हम चल अच्छा आ गया मौका तो कर लेते. No, we dreamt about this and we wanted to become this. We always wanted to go for this. And when you see yourself on that big screen, no Rashmi, it's an amazing feeling. मतलब उस चीज से अच्छी चीज कोई हो ही नहीं सकती क्योंकि आप अपने सपने को सामने देख रहे होते हो जो आपने किया है. जब मैंने मणिकर्णिका में फर्स्ट टाइम अपने आप को देखा कि लोगों ने मुझे बोला बहुत कम रोल था, ये था. आई डिडंट गिव अ शिट. आई डोंट केयर. व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट माय सेल्फ आई वाज जस्ट, मैं कौन से 9th 10th 11th क्लास पे थी. I was so happy to see
I
myself.
think we met at one of a friend's house, and this I'm sharing with all the viewers here. ये अपने हमारे common friend के घर पे बैठे थे हम. ऐसे ही relax feel कर रहे थे, एक दूसरे के साथ बैठ के chill मार रहे थे. And out of nowhere she just मेरा हाथ पकड़ के मुझे balcony में लेकर गई and she showed me some short films of film. I said, what is it? She said, it's my own song, Rashmi. मेरा खुद का गाना है, but please किसी को बोलना नहीं है because
है ना?
ये promotion के लिए है. And I was like, are you serious? That was, I think, such a big day. But आप किसी को बोल
क्योंकि
नहीं पा
रश्मि
रहे
हम आज तक लोगों के गानों पे डांस करते आए यार. आज हम अपने गानों पे डांस करेंगे यार. It feels
Yes,
good.
and there was nothing, but that was the only moment which हम लोग उसको enjoy करे. इसके लिए we started partying suddenly. So yes, all the crazy stuff which we did was
But it feels
actually
great. It feels
पागलपन
great.
किया है तुम्हारे साथ तो मैंने.
मतलब I think
Unplanned. And a lot of people, I must say that about Ankita, that I don't know, but I just felt like sharing you to कि हमारी इतनी thick friendship कैसे है. 31st की नाइट की आई थिंक एंड हम लोग बाहर जाने का प्लान कर रहे थे. तो at that time I was going through very difficult time and she knew it. तो मैंने बोला मैं नहीं आ रही हूँ, तू जा. And I was disconnecting myself from each and every person because I like to keep my personal space में. अब अपना टाइम कैसे बिताते हो because lot of people, बहुत सबके पास सारी सुविधाएं नहीं होती. तो आप खाना कितना बनाओगे, फैमिली के साथ बात कितना करोगे, आप अपना अकेलापन भी कैसे निकालोगे. आप इतनी डिफिकल्ट. और पिछले 2 दिन से ऋषि जी और इरफान जी के
जो
साथ
कर
में
रही
हमें
हूँ अपना
डेफिनेटली जो भी
फॉरेन.
हमारी या
So
what do you
what
do?
I'm doing is Rashmi, as I told you, हम रोज ही बात कर रहे हैं अभी फोन पर. और I keep telling you that I sleep early, I get up early in the morning, I do meditation, I do a lot of I'm doing mandala. It's a different kind of coloring where you put your focus and everything, and I'm trying that thing also in my life. So these things are, I never, you know me, I'm a very, मतलब मैं बहुत late उठने वाली लड़की रही हूँ हमेशा से, but I'm getting up early 5 in the morning, doing meditation, which makes me feel good about myself, that I'm doing something different from what I used to do all the time, because this is a time where you can utilize it properly for yourself. You can go make yourself very positive about everything. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm keeping myself very motivated. throughout the day. And I play housey like time period जब हम अपने पूरी family हम लोग now to give time to your family also, Rashmi. Very, very important. I know you're staying with mama, and my mom, dad are not here. They're in Indore. So, like, our whole family plays housey at one time, you know, at 9:30 to 10:30. We give time to
But you
each
have
other
your
because they are
cousins,
also sitting at home.
amazing cousins.
Yes, I have my amazing cousins, Ashu, Aditya, Arpan, they all are with me. And my Scotch, my Hachi, and everybody's here. But I miss you. I
Yes.
miss you coming home. And I hope that I see you
You know
soon.
I can't come during this
That's it.
pandemic, but अगर allowance हुआ तो definitely I'm going to come. I think रात को ही आऊंगी.
आजा मिलने मेरी जानो. I miss you, yaar.
Thank you so much,
Missing
Ankita. I
you.
really had fun. And please tell something
Thank you
about
so
our
much.
Rakshita
Thank you. I
fans.
want to say something.
You know what is
Thank you to all
Rakshita,
the
right?
Rashmi fans, my fans. What? What?
You know about Rakshita, right?
Were you saying
What is
something?
Rakshita?
Yes, yes, Rakshita.
Rakshita.
That's what I was about to say. I want to say Rakshita. It's Rush. No, what is it?
Rush and Ankita
Rakshita.
ka Rakshita. Rashmi ka Rush. Ankita ka Kita. Rakshita.
Oh, Rashkita. Okay, okay. Thank you so much, everyone. And जितने भी तेरे fans हैं, you know, they really love us, Rashmi. And I'm very grateful. My all, जितने मेरे fans हैं, वो तुझे प्यार करते हैं. इससे अच्छी कोई चीज नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि हम दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. तो thank you everyone for making it possible, and thank you, Rashmi, for having me. You're wonderful, and I want to meet you जल्दी और hug you जल्दी. जल्दी से आजा.
I will. I love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye. Bye, everyone. Ta-da. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, baby. So I think today's episode was really, really superb, I would say. Why? Because मेरी दोस्त मेरे साथ थी. I actually had a lot of question to ask, a lot of things I had written. इतने लंबा list लेके जो बैठी थी, but yet I tried my level best. जो भी important questions थे, वो मैंने उनसे पूछा, और जो मैंने नहीं पूछे, वो उन्होंने अपने experience को लेके सब कुछ बता दिया. And I just want to say that definitely her struggle and the smile on her face, you know, दोनों चीजों का अगर combination बना के अगर मैं बात करूँ तो बनती है अंकिता. Yes, I know her very, very personally, and she is the one whom I'm very, very close to, and she knows me in and out. I'm sure आप लोग को सबको पता चल ही गया होगा. But I'm really happy to have a friend like her, and must say that कि सब कुछ खो दो, लेकिन अगर मेरे दोस्त यार मेरे पास होंगे ना, तो मुझे ये पता है कि मैं दुनिया जीत लूंगी. एंड इतना तो बहुत अंधा भरोसा है that चाहे कुछ कमाऊं ना कमाऊं, लेकिन गिरकर वापस उठने की हिम्मत भी इसलिए रखती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे जो लोग हैं, मेरे अपने हैं, वो हमेशा मेरे साथ रहते हैं और वो मुझे बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट शी केम ऑन